Welcome to BSc Statistics students. In this lesson, we discuss derivation of Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. So, in the rank correlation coefficient, for example, you consider there are two particular population characteristics, A and B, for which you consider ranks are X and Y. For A, let us consider X1, X2 and so on, Xn are the ranks. For B, Y1, Y2 and so on, Yn are ranks. And you consider one particular assumption that Xi is not equal to Yi. Okay? X's are ranks of A, Y's are ranks of B. Now I am calculating, I am considering first of all the rank correlation coefficient, which is rho is equivalent to the covariance of X comma Y divided by sigma X sigma Y. That is what I specify, in which we can also have an equation of covariance of Xy is equal to rho into sigma X sigma Y. That you consider equation 1. Now I calculate sum of the terms X bar, Y bar, sigma square X, sigma square Y, and then I lead the derivation part, right? So for which now I consider the calculation of X bar. So ranks are usually the values of ranks X1, X2 and so on, Xn. Ranks of first n individuals. N individuals will be 1, 2, 3 and so on n. These are the ranks of n individuals. Need not be in the same order, right? So therefore, X bar is the value is going to be considered as the formula 1 by n summation xi. I is equal to 1 to n. So hence it is nothing but 1 by n into summation xi is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus and so on plus n, because the values of xi are 1 to n so on n. So sum of first n natural numbers, it is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So hence it is n will get cancelled. Hence the value is n plus 1 by 2. What is this? X bar. Similarly, because the reason why the ranks of y, y1, y2, yn are also for first n individuals, 1 to and so on n. Because of the reason that, for example, there are 10 individuals, if we want to give the ranks, 10 ranks, 1 to and so on 10. So similarly for n individuals, n ranks. So y bar is also therefore n plus 1 by 2. So X bar is n plus 1 by 2, Y bar is also n plus 1 by 2. Now I calculate sigma square X. So now I calculate sigma square X. What is sigma square X? Sigma square X is the variance. I write there are two formulas, I write one formula. 1 by n summation xi square I is equal to 1 to n minus x bar whole square. This is another formula. Original formula is 1 by n summation xi minus x bar whole square, from which you can obtain this. So again by applying x bar, just now we have calculated, so that is the reason we have separated this. So summation xi square is nothing but 1 square plus 2 square plus and so on plus n square. This is what the summation xi square, x1 square, some 1 square, x2 square maybe 3 square, etc. plus and so on. And xn square, some value. So all the values x1, x2, xn values are 1 to and so on n. So 1 square, 2 square and so on n square, sum minus x bar n plus 1 by 2 whole square. So is equivalent to be 1 by n into sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 minus n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square. So we can cancel out n, and the remaining value 6 here, the 4 here, 2 square 4. I am taking common as n plus 1. Here also n plus 1, here also n plus 1. And 6 and 4 LCM 12. 6 2's and n plus 1 we have taken common. 2 into 2n plus 1, that is 4n. 2 into 1 minus 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 3 into n plus 1, 1 n plus 1 you have taken outside. So hence minus 3n minus 3. So hence it is equivalent to here it is 4n minus 3n, n, 2 minus 3, 1, n minus 1, n minus 1 and n plus 1, n square minus 1 divided by 12. What is this? Sigma square x. So similarly, sigma square y is also n square minus 1 divided by 12. This is what the two values we have observed. We have calculated. One it is we have calculated the value of sigma x, x bar, y bar, and sigma square x, sigma square y. So now it is required to calculate derive the formula for which I consider deviation. Deviation between the ranks of x and y. Deviation between the ranks of x and y. So for which you consider deviation. Deviation is di is equal to xi minus yi. So we have considered that xi is not equal to yi in general. So based on that we are deriving this particular result. So for which I am adding and subtracting one x bar minus x bar plus x bar. Okay. And hence if you see here xi minus x bar, I am writing this x bar is y bar, since x bar is equal to y bar. So and minus of, it is not y bar, yi minus y bar. This x bar I am writing as y bar, minus of minus becomes plus. So this is yi, okay, this is yi, this y, plus x bar, minus x bar plus x bar, what I did, and then minus x bar here, minus of minus plus x bar here, x bar I am taking y bar. Since they are equal, since x bar is equal to y bar, this is the result. So therefore, what I am considering this is di. Now I take square and summation. Now I do square and summation. So if you do square and then take summations, then what you will get? Summation I is equal to 1 to n. Summation I is equal to 1 to n di square. This is what? Squaring and taking summations. So now again if you consider on the right hand side part summation I is equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar minus of yi minus y bar, the whole square. So now you separate the terms here and also divide with n now. Divide with n. So 1 by n summation I is equal to 1 to n di square is equal to 1 by n. Now we take the separation terms, square and take the summation. Square and take the summation. So 1 by n summation I is equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar whole square. That is the first term a square. Next you consider y minus y bar b square plus 1 by n into summation I is equal to 1 to n yi minus y bar whole square. Next term minus 2ab term 2 into 1 by n into summation I is equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar. Okay. So now I write the formulas. So which are all the formulas. Just you consider which are all only the formulas. You observe here clearly. So it is 1 by n summation I is equal to 1 to n di square. Leave it and kindly consider this. This is the formula of sigma square x, variance of x. This is sigma square x and this is sigma square 1 by n summation y minus y bar whole square. This is sigma square y, sigma square y, and this is 1 by n summation x minus x bar into y minus y bar, covariance of x y. Hence it is minus 2 into covariance of x comma y. Now you see, so sigma square x is equal to sigma square y. So hence I am writing sigma, this is sigma square x, therefore this is 2 into sigma square x. Minus 2 multiplied by covariance of x y, the formula is rho sigma x sigma y. Rho into sigma x sigma y. Right? So hence now again sigma x is equal to sigma y. So this is 2 into sigma square x minus 2 into rho into sigma square x. sigma x into sigma x, sigma square x. Since for this reason is sigma square x is equal to sigma square y. This is the reason for this, right? So therefore this is the value we got. Now what I do, we have to calculate the value of rho, correlation coefficient, rank correlation coefficient. So therefore it is nothing but if we take a common 2 sigma square x multiplied by, it will be here 1, it is rho, 1 minus rho. What is the value of this? 1 by n summation I is equal to 1 to n di square. So hence when I calculate 1 minus rho, so 1 minus rho becomes summation di square I is equal to 1 to n divided by 2 into n into sigma square x. 2n into sigma square x. So therefore it is equivalent to be summation di square I is equal to 1 to n divided by 2n into what is sigma square x? N square minus 1 by 12. We can cancel out 2 6 are 12. So 6 we can take the numerator. So therefore 1 minus rho is equal to, therefore I write here the 1 minus rho is equal to sum 6 into summation I is equal to 1 to n di square divided by n into n square minus 1. So now I have to calculate the value of rho. I am taking the rho value right side, this particular value left hand side. So that rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation di square I is equal to 1 to n divided by n into n square minus 1. This is what the formula of the rank correlation coefficient. Formula of rank correlation coefficient. This is what 1 minus, you see it is very particular, 1 minus. So 6 into summation di square divided by n square minus 1. 1 minus. So this is what the derivation of the rank correlation coefficient formula. Thank you.